Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up sticky headers and scroll effects in Webflow step by step clearly. Open Webflow and select the project you want to work on. Navigate to the page where you want to create the sticky header. Add a new section at the top of your page. Inside the new section, drag a div block to serve as your header. Give the div block a class, naming it something like sticky header. Set the width of the header to 100% in the Style panel. Adjust the background color to match your website's design. Select the header div and go to the position settings in the Style panel. Change the position to fixed. Set the top value to 0 so the header stays at the top of the viewport. Now, adjust the z-index to ensure the header sits above other elements. Add your logo or site title inside the header div. Style the logo or title with appropriate font size and color. Next, select the main content area of your page. Add a new section below the sticky header for your main content. Populate this section with text, images, or any other elements. Scroll back up to preview your page. You will see the sticky header remains at the top while you scroll. To add scroll effects, select an element in your main content section. Go to the Interactions panel on the right. Click on plus to create a new page trigger. Choose Scrolled into View from the options. Select the initial state of the element you want to affect. Set it to be transparent, and change its opacity to 0. Now, create a new step under the interaction settings. Set the opacity to 1 to make the element visible when scrolled into view. Adjust the duration of the animation to your liking. Save your changes and preview the interactions. Continue adding scroll effects to other elements as desired. Once satisfied with the look and feel, publish your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.